Looking for a large office at a prime location that gives you room to expand? Look no further than Clover Bay.
Who loves the sun? Who cares that it shines? Who cares what it does? Since you broke my heart.
Offering you 27 cabins, CEO's office and Burj Khalifa views, spread over 6,221 square foot, this office can elevate your business to the next level. If you like what you've seen so far, or you'd like to find out more, please contact me on the details provided.